Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And you already know we got a friendly face, my boy Trey. What's good, Trey?
What's good, my guy?
Oh man, this is what week
six.
Week six. Great. And listen, the truth lives here, and we back by popular demand. Trey is going to share with us his journey, and this is going to help you on your journey. So let's get right into it. Before we get into it, wait. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you want to know where you can find Trey, it will be down in the description with his IG. So
yes,
check
sir.
him out. Now, with that said, and that's off the table, Trey, we were talking off camera. You were telling me you washing your beard.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how often have you been washing your beard?
Man, B, I would say, man, I'm washing it. There'll be some good weeks where I wash it maybe like 3 or 4 times that week.
Hold up. Did he say 3 to 4 weeks of time washing his beard? He washes 3 to 4 times a week. All right. So we still working with Trey. You know what I'm saying? Great brother. And one of the things that you're going to notice is that his beard has been flaking, or that he has mentioned is about his beard has been flaking. So pay attention to those things. And even he was sharing with me, but that's because his beard is overly dry, so it's starting to flake. So be mindful of that. You only 1 to 2 times a week, and I get it. The reason why he's washing it like that is because he goes to the gym, so he wants to feel clean. But we already know about the co-wash, the condition-only wash, where you can use in between your washes. So let's get right back into it. All right. I also wanted to ask you regarding the, you were saying how there was some flaking as well. Mm-hmm. And when do you experience the flaking?
That's when I wake up in the morning.
When you wake up in the morning. And then the dryness you were saying about in the morning as well.
Yeah.
Now, do you use the leave-in, the beard moisturizer at night? Or how often are you using it? When are you using it is a better question.
I would say I'm using, so most of the time I use it as a morning kind of thing.
Okay.
Like I kind of go through the process in the morning. Nighttime I try to, but not as consistently. You
Got
know,
it.
I think more like nighttime I might, brush my teeth, put on the serum, and hit the bed. You know
Hit the
what
bed.
I mean?
You see, this is what I share with you guys a lot. If you go to bed with a dry beard, you're going to wake up to an even drier beard. And not only that, when you just put the serum on, it's not moisturizing your beard. You need to put on a moisturizer first, then you put the serum on to seal in the moisture. So as you get to see firsthand, or you get to hear and see firsthand how the incorrect way of doing it versus the correct way to yield the results. Having a more moisturized beard where it's not flaking and it's not dry. So these are things that we're just tweaking on the journey, and this is just for all of us. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have it all together, but again, this is things that we're coaching everybody through, and we're working with everybody. So let's get right back into it. Now, one of the things I would say, start doing it washing your beard 1 to 2 times a week, so that way it doesn't accelerate the dryness. So I double back. I shared with Trey, hey, make sure you wash your beard 1 to 2 times a week. That is partly reason why he is flaking, okay? Also, I recommended him to do either the lemon beard rinse or the apple cider vinegar. I will also throw in, for everyone else that's watching, the bentonite clay. You can do it once a week, once a month, or once every 3 months, depending on how serious your situation is. Okay? I did a video with the bentonite clay, and actually I added the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar all in one. So you can watch that video that I had done. With that said, let's get right back into it.
You like the smell of that stuff right now?
What's that?
Man, hey, this beard serum?
Yeah.
Smells good after you put it on. She put, oh, did you just put on your beard serum? I'm like, yeah.
She be like, no, you can't get in the bed without that my serum, okay? He's like, baby, but it's me. Oh, but it better be you in the serum. But yeah, but overall, man, like I can see the thickness of it from even the last week that you were here, and we were talking from the past episode. You guys go right back to the first episode, week 1. You will see his beard has gotten more denser. His beard is getting it's growing a lot better. If you can turn to your right all the way, you see here. Right here, all in there. So definitely. All right, you can turn back to the crowd. So you can definitely see the difference. And a lot of times what happens, man, when we look in the mirror every single day, we don't see the changes.
Not at all.
You're a trainer, right?
Yeah.
So
I ain't no trainer, but I work out.
But you work out.
Yeah.
You train. You know what I'm saying? You train yourself. You know what I'm saying? You're a trainer to yourself. So you see that if you look at your picture before you started working out to now, there's 2 different Treys.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
But if you go to the gym today, right, and then you look in the mirror tomorrow, you're not gonna really see a big difference, right? You will see a bigger difference when you look in the mirror like 3 months from now, right? You're gonna be able to see it's noticeable. So my point being, it's the same way when it comes to your beard. If you guys begin to just look at your beard every single day and trying to find the subtle changes, you're not gonna see it. It's happening, but you're not gonna see it. You're gonna see it within a 2-3 month 2 to 3 months, you're going to be able to see these changes. Or if you're taking a picture every day, and then for the next 90 days, you'll be able to see those changes. So we're starting to see, even right here, I'm starting to see the vellus hair, that's going into terminal growth in this area as well. He has been doing the derma roller. So you say he had been as consistent as he has been.
Yeah, I mean, you know how it is.
It
man.
is.
It's like when I first cut it, I was like, all right, give me this hair back. Come on, like every day. You know what I mean? And then I remember you had told me, you was like, you can't do it every day because. How did you word it? You were saying that. So
you want to do it like you want to do it 1 to 2 times a week. You don't want to do it every day. You want to just do it 1 to 2 times a week. All right, and you want to allow your skin to heal. You want to allow it to go through that process.
Yeah, because you're poking those holes.
Right. If you're using a derma roller every single day, your skin is not allowing to fully heal, and cells turn over, and allow those cells to turn over so they can renew themselves and so on and so forth. But the point of it is, man, we are actively working towards living a healthier, fulfilling life. So. Trey, I appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate you,
know what I'm saying?
Man.
Make sure you guys check Trey out. Trey, what's your Instagram?
Man, my Instagram is Trey Bryant 27. You guys also check out my website, Lifestyle of TB. I upload blogs every week on just men's fashion, lifestyle. Kind of get some things about maybe your dating, your life, or some skill on dressing.
Talk about it. His IG's at the bottom. This is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy, and we're gonna see you guys on the next episode. Until then, we out. Deuces.